Many new business owners feel like with so much technology at our fingertips, email marketing must be what the dinosaurs are still using. Be honest, have you ever thought, who reads their emails anyways? But then find yourself checking emails while you wait, while you're bored, while you're looking for a coupon code before a purchase? Of course, you do. We all do, and that is why email is such an important tool for you to be using in your business. This video is geared for the email marketing beginner, therefore, we will only going to focus on a couple key areas that you can tackle right away. 13 email marketing tips for beginners. Getting started. Define your audience. Make sure you understand how to establish a crystal clear understanding of the audience you plan on serving. Know what their problem is, how they feel about it, and what they currently do to try and solve it. Always get permission from people before adding them to your email list. The best way to do this is to use landing pages, email subscription forms, and we suggest a confirmation email with the exact credentials they supplied to be signed up. Build an audience. Invite people to sign up to your email list. When was the last time you asked your Twitter followers or Facebook friends to subscribe? Facebook allows you to post your newsletter directly to your fan page. This is a non-invasive way to give your fans an insight into what they could be receiving as well. Offer people something in return for signing up. There must be something in it for them. You must make sure that content is valuable enough to prompt them to subscribe. How about promising your next great piece delivered straight to their inbox, which saves them the time of trying to find it on their own, if they subscribe? Content. Make it personal. You do not need to write an email to every individual recipient, but customers prefer to feel like they are important to you instead of just another person you are trying to make a sale from. Always include a call to action. Of course, you want people to enjoy reading your email, but don't forget the end game, you want them to do something as a result. Make sure your emails are personally branded. You want your emails to fit with the rest of your content on social media and beyond. The key takeaway here is that all images, words, and personal brand name should be immediately recognizable as coming from your business. Include contact details. Email is much more personal than social media. Make sure that you have your contact information included in each email so people can reach out with questions. Include links, and double-check them. Simple as that. Many professional email marketers will still send bad links on accident. By double-checking yours, you will be set to get immediate sales. Sending. Send regular emails. We send out a weekly broadcast, for example, with links to our latest blog posts. But depending on your audience, you might want to update people weekly or monthly. Be consistent. If you are going to have a weekly broadcast, then make sure, without fail, that it goes out every week. Remember, your customers may or may not see your post on social media because of new algorithms, but they will see your weekly email if you are consistent about getting it to them. We argue that a weekly email is just as important as weekly social media updates. Clean your email list regularly. Most new marketers are terrified of unsubscribes, when in fact, people who unsubscribe from your list would never buy from you anyway. We want them to unsubscribe. That keeps your email list very clean and filled with potential buyers only. Make it easy to unsubscribe. Unless you want to end up on a blacklist faster than you can say spam, and generally annoy people to the point they'll never buy from you again. And let us know if you have any questions, we would love to hear from you.